WGAN Forum Podcast number 79. Tuesday, March 22, 2022.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANForum.com.
Damen Shipyards uses Matterport digital twins to accelerate workflow and enhance the customer experience. Global shipbuilding giant incorporates digital twins to improve connection between company designers and customers, improving approval workflow, construction precision, and customer satisfaction. Sunnyvale, California. Tuesday, March 22, 2022. Globe Newswire. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, the leading spatial data company driving the digital transformation of the built world, today announced that Damen Shipyards Group, Damen, a Dutch-owned shipbuilding company with operations in 120 countries and delivering 175 vessels annually, has adopted Matterport digital twins to facilitate remote collaboration for internal and external stakeholders. With access to Matterport's rich, dimensionally accurate data, Damen has applied an innovative approach to drive customer satisfaction. When we discovered Matterport, we quickly realized the power of the digital twin to unlock collaboration and engagement with our designers and our customers, said Jan Yapites, Assistant Project Manager at Damen Shipyards. Today, we use Matterport to allow our customers to remotely review and inspect every compartment and detail of a vessel within a 3D space. Internally, our design and engineering teams have access to detailed measurements and layouts to further enable them to work more efficiently and avoid costly and time-consuming site visits. Across its workboat division, including its major shipyards in China, Turkey, and Vietnam, Damen uses Matterport Pro 2 3D cameras to capture digital twins of its vessels. With access to a 3D space in the planning stage, customers can examine the layout and placement of equipment and request modifications if desired. Once a design is finalized, Damen shares its digital twin internally with their service department, enabling them to gain a better understanding of the vessel when it is completed and delivered. In addition, the measurement mode capability within a Matterport digital twin allows Damen's design and engineering personnel to verify measurements down to the centimeter, including room layouts and the placement of everything from windows and doors to hardware and equipment, all without conducting a site visit. With its growing library of digital twins, Damen developed a 3D archive of its vessels to support bookkeeping efforts and to prevent operational difficulties in the future. In addition, the company's digital record of its builds will facilitate knowledge transfer and training when longtime Damen employees retire or leave the company in the future. The growing adoption of Matterport across several industries, from store management to commercial boats, demonstrates that digital twins add operational efficiency and engage customers throughout their journeys, said Conway Chen, VP of Business Development and Strategy at Matterport. With Matterport digital twins at their fingertips, Damen is able to further advance its reputation as a technology-driven organization focused on providing the best experience for its customers. Read the case study to learn more about how Damen Shipyards used Matterport on Matterport.com, or learn more about Damen Shipyards at www.damen.com. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle, from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Copyright 2022 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Learn more at www.matterport.com. Source: Matterport via Globe Newswire.